Let's make Black Brew from Kraken Rum. We are going to make this drink in the glass, and we're going to start by putting 2 ounces of the Kraken Black Spiced Rum into your glass. 2 ounces is 30 milliliters. Add some ice, and top with cold brew coffee of your choice. Mine comes in a can because I don't make a lot of coffee at home for reasons. How much coffee was that? How many parts? Nobody knows. That's basically it. We are going to garnish this with a lime wheel, or a lemon wheel. I'm getting that mixed up sometimes. Note that this is an optional garnish, but let's go fancy. Why not? And there you have the Black Brew from Kraken Rum. Drink with good spirits. But I'm not going to drink this one.